What's up, everybody? I got a quick update. So as you can see here, I got the cylinder head off. So I got the cylinder head right here. Everything's good. The cam journals are a little bit questionable, but I'm gonna take care of that. I've got a Dremel with a really nice polishing disc on it and polish. I'll show you more. There's more to come there. I've got my brand new camshaft. Holy moly. You guys have seen that. That's going in. That'll take care of a lot of issues. I've got the valves came out. I'm not going to pop this one out, but you can kind of see it. If you look real close, the valves are the valve springs are gone. They're back here, just these two. I've got everything cleaned up. There was metal shavings in the intake ports. The intake ports, by the way, are beautiful.
It's far from perfect, but it's all right in there. Looks all right. Looks good. Smooth enough.
But everything's moving forward. I have a weird motivational surge right now. Someone's outside whistling. That's strange, but I'm gonna roll with it. I've been working on a lot of other stuff. We've been trying to get our basement finished, XYZ, yada, yada, yada. You guys don't care, but I'm gonna be doing more stuff on the car lately. I have this valve spring compressor tool that I only have for tonight because I have to bring it back to work and give it to my coworker. So yeah, I have to get stuff done. I'm doing stuff. It's happening. We're doing it. All right, let's get to this cam journal. I know. I got this checkered sports passenger side foot plate. So when I have a passenger, they can go, ah, and put their feet right on ya. I got checkered sports dive planes to replace the NRG canards that I had on my old front bumper. These are for a coupe, so they don't fit. But I'm gonna do my thing, and they'll fit-ish. It's pretty great. So I got the head on the block. Next, I'm gonna lubricate all the head studs. And I'm not gonna show you lubricating the washers and the nuts, but then I'm gonna torque the head down. Engage time lapse. Next, I'm going to lubricate the washers and pop those on. Ooh, that's fasteners. The instructions right here say 3 equal steps to 60 foot-pounds, following the manufacturer's recommended torque pattern. So we're gonna start, you guessed it, 20. Okay, so I forgot to record me torquing the cylinder head down, so I'm just gonna slip a little footage of me pretending like I am, just so it looks good. According to the instructions, boom, done. Taken care of. I gotta keep that just in case I have to use it again. So next step is taking care of the cam journals. I already touched up like 2 of them. I'll be able to see it well, but they are scored a little bit. Really, it's like on the side of the journal, really, and is where it feels rough, is on the side. And then all the way around, really, there's grooves. These two are scored worse, and this one has the worst groove. This one's fine, really. This one's fine also. I guess those are the 2 I did. That one, yeah. That one I haven't touched,
because it looks totally perfect. This one I redid, and this one I redid. So I still have to do those. So I'm going to clean this off and put more polish on it, and then I'm going to use the Dremel pretty much just like this, and at first maybe touch it up a little bit with some side to side, but mostly I'm going to try and stick really light touches, and it's going to be low RPM. This thing, I think this is in thousands. It goes up to 10. I'm going to keep it at 6, and once it touches, it's going to slow itself down to like 5. So kind of medium speed. And all I'm looking to do is just to smooth it out to the touch. I'm not going to be pushing down hard. I don't want to see it turn colors. I don't want to see chunks or flakes or anything coming off. Just smoothing it out.